A real Dutch delicate cookie is the stuffed cookie of gevulde koeken. For this, you first need to prepare a batch of so-called spijs or almond paste. You need 150 grams of almond flour, 150 grams of sugar, lemon juice, and an egg. Alright, let's get started. Beat the egg in a mug. Add the almond flour and the sugar in a bowl. Then add half of the beaten egg. Pour some lemon juice over the mixture. Now start mixing the ingredients with a fork, and when everything is mixed roughly, continue by hand. When the mix has a nice, partially stiff structure, form it into a ball. Wrap the ball in plastic wrap. Place the ball in the fridge and leave it there overnight. The next day, take out the almond paste. Now we're gonna make the cookie dough. For the cookie dough you need 400 grams of flour, 200 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams of cold butter, the almond paste, lemon juice, salt, and 2 eggs. Mix the flour, the sugar, and some salt in a bowl. Cut up the butter into smaller pieces and add together with 2 tablespoons of cold water to the bowl. Knead the mixture into a ball. Wrap the ball in plastic wrap and let it rest for an hour. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Put the almond paste in a bowl and add some lemon juice and an egg. Knead till mixed well and divide into 12 small balls. Pour some flour over your working area. Unwrap the dough ball and split it in half. Roll out one half until the dough is about 2 mm thick. Cut out rounds of around 10 cm in diameter and place these onto a cookie sheet or baking tray. I did not really have cookie cutters with this size, so I used a mug. On each round, place a ball of almond paste. Press the ball down a little to spread the almond paste over the rounds. Make sure there's plenty of space left on the edges. Beat the second egg in the mug. Brush some of the egg over the edges of the rounds around the almond paste. Roll out the other half of the dough and again cut out 12 rounds of around 2 mm thick. Place these rounds on top of the first rounds and press the edges together. Brush some egg mixture on top of the dough rounds. Officially you're supposed to place an almond half on top of each cookie, but I ran out, so I did not do that here. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take them out and let them cool down. You can store the stuffed cookies in an airtight container. Thanks for watching!